Welcome to Social XP, a software that currently rivals competitors in the market. Social XP version 1 is a manual notation software, and now we're going to go through the details of how to use it. First, we're going to go to Settings, and then we're going to click on Add Settings. Here, we're able to see that a manual notation configuration file was added, and we're going to click on Rename. Then we're going to click on Edit, and we're going to click on Add Behaviors. We're going to click on Subject 1, and it's important to note that we can add up to different behaviors for 3 different subjects. We're going to add in solo, and we're going to assign this to the hotkey 1 for when we observe it, and it will be a mutually exclusive behavior, and we'll press save. Then we're going to add in another behavior for subject 2. It will also be solo, and we're going to assign this to the hotkey Z and change the color. Then we'll click close. Next, we're going to click select, and from here we're going to go to behavior analysis. From here, we're going to click on upload video, and we're going to select the video of our interest. Here you have 3 different features. One is to delete the video, the other to import annotations, and finally to remove annotations from the video. Now we're going to click on the video, and first and foremost, it's important to take note that with version 1, you're able to go forward and backward frame by frame, as you're able to see here, or in normal speed, visualizing the frames here and also here. Now, a benefit for Social XP version 1 is that you're able to add in on the fly new behaviors from the timeline. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to add in for subject 1 sniffing, and we're going to assign this to hotkey 2. Also, I'm going to add in another behavior, which I'm going to deem this behavior a start and stop behavior, and I'm going to assign this to another hotkey. And finally, I'm going to add in a point event. Now, in order to manually annotate, I must turn on recording. I can either click with my mouse, or I can press enter, turning it on and off. Here, I'll turn it on, and I will start the video by pressing space. But before, I will select the behaviors that I'm looking to mark, and I'll start. And of course, I can go changing when I'm observing certain behaviors, whether it's a start and stop, whether it's that of frequency, or whether it's that of a mutually exclusive behavior. In order for all of the manual notations to be saved, it's always important to remember to turn off recording. Here, I'm able to click on dragging, and I'm able to select multiple events that I am interested in deleting. Also, if needed, I'm able to record from the second window. And finally, if needed, I'm able to increase and decrease the velocity of the video. Here, I'm going to go to export, and I'm able to export in either Excel or text. I'm going to export in Excel. Here, I'm able to visualize the manual notations that were already carried out, whether they're marked in frequency, time. Here, I have a timeline in which it gives me details on the recording time, the frame in which it occurred, and marking it 1 if the behavior occurred, or 0 if it did not occur. Finally, in details, I'm able to see in what subject it occurred for, the name of the behavior, the type, the start and end points, the duration, and finally, in the frame in which it occurred. Returning to Social XB, here, I'm able to add in new videos, and I'm able to add in new configurations. We hope that you enjoyed the use of Social XB version 1. For more details or more information, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.